Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: protecting your electronics from electromagnetic pulses, or EMPs. Whether it's a natural solar flare or a man-made attack, EMPs can disrupt all electronic devices, causing widespread chaos. First, let's understand what an EMP is. EMPs are bursts of electromagnetic energy that can damage or destroy electronic devices. Historical events like solar storms have shown us just how vulnerable our technology is to these powerful pulses. Imagine a world without your smartphone, your car's electronics, or even the power grid. That's the reality an EMP could bring. It's not just about losing convenience, it's about survival. So, how do you protect your electronics? One of the most popular methods is using a Faraday cage. It's a simple, yet effective way to block electromagnetic fields. You can make one at home using aluminum foil and a cardboard box. Here's a step-by-step guide to making your own Faraday cage. Start with a cardboard box as the inner lining. Wrap it completely in aluminum foil, ensuring there are no gaps. Then place your device inside. Make sure the foil doesn't directly touch the device, as this could conduct electricity in the event of an EMP. Seal the box and wrap it in another layer of foil for added protection. For those looking for more advanced solutions, materials like graphene and specialized paints are being used to create shields that can protect larger areas and multiple devices. These are professional-grade solutions that offer better protection than basic DIY methods. Don't forget about your data. An EMP can wipe out digital storage. Consider backing up important information offline or using EMP-resistant storage devices. Beyond personal electronics, consider shielding larger items like your home's electrical system or your vehicle. While shielding an entire house is a significant investment, it's possible with specialized paints and materials that block EMP waves. For vehicles, some enthusiasts install small Faraday cages around the car's electronic components to prevent complete failure. It's crucial to test your EMP protection regularly. Use EMP simulators or signal generators to test your Faraday cages and ensure they're functioning correctly. Remember, even small gaps can compromise your shielding, so maintenance is key. Stay informed about potential threats and advancements in EMP protection technology. Join survival forums, subscribe to relevant channels, and stay updated with new developments. Knowledge is your first line of defense. To wrap up, while EMPs present a serious threat, taking proactive steps to shield your electronics and data can make a huge difference. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or looking for professional-grade solutions, there's an option out there for you. Remember, preparation is key. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.